So alpha female, who are they? Do they own $1 million in their bank account? Or are they rich wives of millionaires? Are they super successful, or are they someone who is beyond our mental picture of imagination? Well, let me tell you something. If you're watching this video, you are an alpha female. It's as simple as that. Hi guys, welcome to Creating Inner Shangri-La. My name is Pooja, and in this channel we talk about self-growth, self-development, living a conscious and authentic life. In this episode, I'm going to talk about what are the traits of an alpha female and how can you identify yourself as a woman of impact. If you identify yourself with the qualities that I'm going to talk about now, you are definitely an alpha female. A person with power, someone who can make an impeccable impact and contribute immensely in the society. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, an alpha female, she is secure and confident. This doesn't mean that she is flawless and she has everything in order. Her life is as chaotic as everyone else, but she embraces it and flows with life. She is not intimidated by someone else's success or how someone looks. She is happy with where she is at life and she continues to grow and blossom consistently. Secondly, she stands her ground and believes in authenticity. She is not a pushover and she has a good boundary set in any sort of relationship. She values people in her life and chooses to have a circle who values her honesty because she is not a people pleaser. She is a person of free will and she doesn't hesitate to share her opinion freely. Thirdly, she knows when to balance fun with work. She knows when to activate her masculinity and when to embrace her femininity. She doesn't take her life too seriously and knows when to have fun and when to relax. Of course, she has her bad days, but whenever life turns her down or whenever she has a bad day, she comes right up to bring her best self because life is too short to reflect on the past. Number 4, an alpha female takes a criticism or feedback positively and doesn't see others as a competition. She takes positive feedback from the people she trusts and works on her weaknesses. She doesn't look at others as a competition because she knows that everyone is unique and the only competition that she has in her life is with herself and no one else. She focuses on becoming a better version of herself every day and consistently puts that effort into becoming one. An alpha female is genuine with her words and actions and you can literally feel that energetically when you are around her. She is not afraid to help people when they need her, but she doesn't look at people in her life as stepping stones. She has people in her life because she values them and not because how she can use them. Number 6, she is in tune with her body and she trusts her intuition. She trusts her gut feeling and doesn't overlook what her higher self is telling her. She knows when to walk away from people, relationship or circumstances that devalues her or is toxic in nature. And number 7, the most important trait of an alpha female is that she is grateful and she accepts failure. She is challenged by life like everyone else, but she takes that leap of faith to move towards her dream and to move towards her goals anyway. She is a risk taker and she likes to live a meaningful life. She has experienced traumas, backlashes and failures in her life, but that doesn't stop her from dreaming. She takes those painful situations and circumstances in her life as lessons and tries to understand the messages underlying those kind of situations. If you're watching this video till now, I'm sure you are resonating with a lot of qualities that I've mentioned. So tell me, how many qualities do you resonate with as an alpha female? Just paint a beautiful picture of how it feels to be that version of you, that alpha female, and see how wonderful it makes you feel. You see, that's the best version of you. Remember, we are not perfect and we are constantly learning, growing and changing. But if you're still watching this video, this is a sign that you need to actualize your dreams and focus on your goals. You need to take action. This is a sign that you need to invest in your potential and growth. Remember that you are your best friend or your biggest enemy. So take that first step and gain momentum in your life. Don't wait for the perfect day, situation or time. Start today with simple changes because it compounds over time. Please comment down below if you identify yourself as a woman of impact, as an alpha female, and tell me that one quality that you really want to work on. And if this video was helpful, please like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and let's reach out to more people, more alpha females out there who needs to hear this now. So as alpha females, let's grow together, empower each other and support each other. And until next time, please keep on creating that inner Shangri-La. Bye bye.